DreamHost is a well-established web hosting provider with a solid reputation, especially in the WordPress community. However, like any hosting service, it comes with a unique set of advantages and disadvantages. Pros: excellent uptime. DreamHost delivers impressive uptime consistency, minimizing downtime for your website or applications. Generous money-back guarantee. They offer an extended 97-day money-back guarantee, giving you ample time to test their services risk-free. Unlimited bandwidth and storage. Many DreamHost plans don't impose strict limits on bandwidth or storage, ensuring your site can handle traffic spikes and growth. WordPress expertise. DreamHost is deeply integrated with WordPress. They offer one-click installs, automated updates, and WordPress-optimized performance. Strong community support. DreamHost enjoys a loyal user base and active community forums, where you can find help and resources. Cons: limited phone support. DreamHost primarily relies on ticket-based and live chat support, and they don't offer phone support for all plans. Custom control panel. While functional, their control panel differs from the industry-standard cPanel, which might necessitate a learning curve. Potential added costs. Some features, like their malware removal tool, DreamShield, incur additional monthly fees. Thank you for watching. Get a special Hostinger offer and promo code in the description.